Alright guys, doing a little creek fishing today. Got a little swim bait on. Came down here the other day, didn't really catch anything, so caught one fish. Doubt I'll be able to even make a video with it, but different creek today. We're gonna see if we can make something happen. There's a ton of bluegill right here close to the bank, and I don't know, gotta be bass somewhere. I'd be okay with the bluegill too, but some of these are just tiny fish. Oh, there we go. Oh, dang, I had a bluegill. All right. Oh man. Oh my gosh, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't come off. Please don't. Oh my god, that's a freaking toad. First freaking cast, y'all. This is a spot me and John came to last year and caught some pretty nice fish. And I just came down here with the micro jig, made one cast, and just got smoked. This is a really nice fish, man. Super nice fish. I'm literally standing in water, as y'all can see. Look at this fish, man. Beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. Oh, come here, buddy. All right. That is freaking awesome. Look at that fish. Oh my gosh, look at that fish, y'all. Micro jig, man. Golly, that freaking bait. I'm telling you right now, micro jig. I've caught more fish on that bait than any bait in the last 3 years. Alright guys, look at this fish. Beautiful, beautiful colors. She's fired up. She goes. Bye girl. Alright, let's do that again. I'm gonna retie. Just because I'm using 6-pound line. That fish got me a little frayed right there, about a knot. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's a big smallmouth. This is so much fun. Oh yeah, that's a really nice smallmouth. That one's a lot nicer. Last fish. No, 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 don't take me over there. Don't take me over there. I can't. He's kicking my ass, y'all. It's a good fish, and he is getting me up all over some stuff right now. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh no, oh no, oh no. There's so much brush and stuff in here. Come here, buddy. You don't have to fight me. I'm gonna let you go immediately. Oh man, that's a nice smallmouth. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Please come here. Don't act crazy. Don't act crazy. Ha ha! Yes. Oh yeah. That's awesome. That is awesome. Oh yeah. That is a super nice fish, y'all. Oh man. What a day. I've been fishing for a couple hours, bounced around from a couple creeks, and hit this one spot. Everything changes. Everything changes. Look at that fish, y'all. Look at that fish. It's a beautiful, beautiful smallmouth. All right, buddy. Yes, man, he crushed it. Crushed it. Using 6-pound line with a micro jig is not a good idea. But I was throwing some other lures earlier, and that's the only leader line I have with me. Okay, that one's a little bit smaller. My drag is all messed up. I was trying to make sure I didn't lose that last fish. Alright, it's a nice little smallmouth. I mean, I'd be just happy to catch him today. Look at that. Nice little smallmouth. There you go, buddy. Gotta check that line every cast, y'all. You're using lighter stuff like 6-pound, you gotta make sure no frays. Yeah, a little rock bass. Man, I am so glad I stopped at this spot. I came down here probably, I don't know, a week ago or so, made a couple casts, didn't catch anything. And then I come back today and I'm just like, I feel like I know what I'm doing, which is just not the case, but it feels that way. Good Lord. I think that's a rock bass. Golly, he freaking smashed that thing. I thought that was a big bass. I ain't gonna lie to you. I thought that was a big bass, but. Alright, let's see here. Come on, buddy. Alright. Maybe time for a new trailer, but I think the fish like the old one crawl trailer. Okay, yeah, I hit a little hole of rock bass there. I'm getting bit every single cast. Alright, there you go, buddy. Which, hey, I ain't complaining. Alrighty, guys, this will probably be my last spot of the day. Like a few casts. I caught some really nice fish in here this time of year. So, see if we can pull a couple out. Ooh, that was a good bite. Oh, that was a fish. Good Lord, that's a freaking nice smallmouth. Oh yeah, good freaking smallmouth right there. That's so weird. You would have expected him to be in that deep hole over there. He's over here in the freaking current. It's not near as deep over here. Oh wow, yeah, that's a pretty fish. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh yeah, look at that. That's freaking awesome. Yes. All right. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fish. Luckily, I've got these waterproof boots on. Look at that, guys. That's what we come out here to the creek for right there. Oh yeah. That's what it's about right there, guys. That is what it's about. It's crazy that fish is just chilling. The current's kind of moving. I guess technically he's on like a little bit of a current break. It's a small little current break right there. Let's see if there's another one. Oh, there's another one over there. There's a freaking another one over there. Oh, yes. He's fired up, man. These fish are lively. They are lively. That one's decent little size. That's what we're after, though. That's what we're after, guys. Alright, I'll let you go. Everybody. Whoa! He came right back to me. Oh, God, he's splashing me. Okay, hold on. There you go. There you go. Good Lord, he got me all types of muddy. Man, this has just turned out to be an awesome day. Oh! Oh, that's a good fish. Oh my God. I'm like a freaking kid in a candy shop right now, y'all. This is insane. Oh, this might be the biggest fish of the day. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good fish. Good creek smallmouth right there. Oh yeah. That fish is probably pushing 2 pounds. That's a freaking good fish. Man. Oh man, this is so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. This is awesome. I haven't had a day out here in a while. Obviously it's February, so days like this are still a ways out. Look at that. Look at that fish, y'all. That is a gorgeous fish. My camera just died, and or my GoPro just died. So we'll see. I'm gonna make a couple more casts and then probably call it. Can't really ask for a better day. This has been awesome. So Missile Jigs micro football jig right here, guys. Green pumpkin, 1/4 ounce, little 1/0 Gamakatsu hook. This bait right here has caught me so many fish. It doesn't matter the time of year, spring, fall, summer, winter, it doesn't matter. I've caught so many fish on this little bait right here. Comes in a 2-pack like so. And yeah, if you see them while you're shopping at the local tackle shop, Bass Pro, whatever, get them because they catch fish. If I had to choose one bait to fish for the rest of my life, it would be this 1/4 ounce green pumpkin micro football jig from Missile Jigs. So anyway, thank y'all for watching the video today. Had a lot of fun fishing in the creek, caught some fish. Haven't fished the lakes much this year. Just been busy. I'm in the middle of a job change, and I'm hoping that I can post some more content coming soon. Gonna start fishing more. Gonna start fishing Del Hollow again soon. And yeah, so you guys stay tuned. Thank y'all for watching this little creek video, and hope you guys enjoyed it. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.